Hi! Within this section, we're going to install virtual machines on our host computers. Before we go on and do that, I want to explain what is a virtual machine and why are we using them. So virtual machine actually lets us run some virtual computers on our own computer. So these computers might have different operating systems at once. For example, we are going to work with a Linux distribution called Kali Linux most of the time within this course. And maybe you may think that, okay, I can erase my Mac OS or Windows from my computer and install Kali Linux instead. Yes, you can do that, but that's not the point, because we're not gonna need Kali Linux only within this course. We will also need Windows and Metasploitable and other systems as well. And these virtual machines will allow us to work with them simultaneously within our computer, so we can simulate attacks in a safe environment. Since they are only virtual machines, we can delete them anytime we want, we can refresh them, we can reinstall them anytime we want as well. And also, if we make something wrong and make our operating systems crash, they will be recoverable. We will learn how to get snapshots and get back to them whenever it's needed. And they are completely free since we are going to use VirtualBox in this course. So it's essential for us to work with virtual machines in order to efficiently complete this course. So let's stop here, and within the next lecture we're going to learn how to install them on our own computers.